Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. In the previous class, we discussed about the life in desert regions, both in Sahara and in Ladakh. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is life in tropical and subtropical regions, that is Amazon and Ganga Brahmaputra, and other topic, that is life in tropical region, Amazon basin. Okay, these are the two topics which we will discuss today. So let us see one by one. So first of all, open your book, page number 174. Life in tropical and subtropical regions, that is Amazon and Ganga Brahmaputra. So among these, first we will discuss about life in tropical region, that is the which one? Amazon basin. The Amazon basin in South America affords the most typical example of the tropical region or the equatorial regions, which lies between 10 degree north and 10 degree south of the equator. Means you can say that the Amazon basin where is it is in South America also affords the most typical example. या क्या कैसे हम ये भी कह सकते हैं, ये बहुत ही बड़ा यानी टिपिकल एग्जाम्पल है. किसका एग्जाम्पल है? ट्रॉपिकल रीजन और द इक्वेटोरियल रीजन्स का, which जो कि and also it lies between 10 degree north and 10 degree south of the equator. I will show this in world map. Okay, this region has a hot and wet climate throughout the year, and these regions means these areas, the climate of this area, you can say that hot and also wet climate throughout the year. There is no dry season. यहाँ पर dry season नहीं होता है. During the whole year, during whole year there is no dry season. High temperature and high humidity make the climate unfavorable for sustained human effort. And also you have seen that high temperature and also high humidity, these two things are making the climate unfavorable for what? For sustaining human efforts. Means these are the main you can say abstract, or you can say barrier for the human being to settle here. Malaria, yellow fever and other tropical diseases are quite common and forbid the people to settle there in large numbers. And also in this region many types of diseases also spread, like malaria, yellow fever. That's why people they are not, or they avoiding to live or settle in these areas. Many people, only a limited number of people, tribal people, live in small clearing in the forest, and only few numbers of people, especially the people of that area or the surrounding areas, they used to live. And how they live? Only by clearing the surrounding forest. Many people depend on the forest to support themselves, and from that area so many people also depend for their livelihood on the support of a forest. Food gathering, fishing and hunting are their main occupations, and the people of that area their main occupations were fishing, hunting and also what? Food gathering. Where clearings are made in the forest, जहाँ पर क्लियरिंग होती है, सफाई होती है, लोग जंगलों को काटते हैं. शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर इज प्रैक्टिस्ड, और जो जंगलों को काट काट कर तो लोग एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं. शिफ्टिंग उसको क्या कहते हैं? शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह खेती करने को क्या कहते हैं? शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर। ये आप चीज़ें थोड़ा बड़े क्लास में और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। When forest cover is re-established after some time, they have to shift to another areas. What happens? When the forest cover area, जो forest cover area था, जो फिर से वो resettled हो जाते हैं, settlement होते हैं, तब क्या होता है? जो re-established होते हैं तो क्या होता है? After some time they again used to shift from one region to or one place to another place. They used to shift themselves from one place to another place. As large areas are required to support different tribal groups and बहुत सारे एरियाज चाहिए जो कि किस ट्राइबल पीपल को सपोर्ट के लिए। As large areas are required to support different tribal groups, the density of population is often very low and जो population यहाँ density की जो population की density है वो बहुत ही low है। The human settlements are small and scattered, and also if human they used to settle in that area. How they settle? They settle by scattering, means not congested. They take distance from one house to another house, means they settle in scattered way. The Amazon is the second largest river in the world after Nile. You have seen that Amazon is the second largest river only after Nile in the world. Nile as far as length is concerned, but considering the size and volume of water, लेकिन हम size और जिसमें उसमें पानी की जो क्षमता देखेंगे उसके comparison में क्या है? Amazon is the largest river in the world. As such, the Amazon rainforest contain a wider variety of plant, and also you have seen that in Amazon basin there are many types of plants, animals, and also plant and animal life than any other place in the world. In this area, large number of plant and also animals cover, and nowhere else in the other country or in other place. Dense tropical evergreen forest with tall trees. You have seen that dense tropical evergreen forest, dense घना और जो हमेशा ग्रीन रहते इस तरह के फॉरेस्ट उगते हैं, which tall about 30 to 50 meters high are found in the Amazon basin. इस Amazon basin में ये पाए जाते हैं. The undergrowth is also thick. The undergrowth is also thick. जो कि undergrowth है क्या होती है? Thick होती है. So it is not easy to penetrate this forest. That's why it is very tough, or it is not easy to penetrate this forest. Animals like elephants, rhinoceros, etc., which can make their way through the jungles, are found here. And so many wild animals also used to live in this forest, and they used to roam here and there in the forest. Monkeys, apes, snakes, etc. are also found here. The rivers abound in fish. In rivers also varieties of fish found, crocodiles, turtles, hippopotamus, etc. A variety of birds are also found here. So the Amazon basin is regarded as very important ecologically. This forest is very important in the way of ecology. This is all due to the following causes. Why this happened? There's also some reason behind this. Let us see the first reason. The Amazon basin holds 20% of the Earth's fresh water. Amazon basin में जो वर्ल्ड का 20% फ्रेश वाटर होल्ड करता है. Second, the Amazon basin is home to a large variety of animals and plants which are quite rare in this world. और इस Amazon basin में, यह Amazon basin एक घर के जैसा है. किसके घर के जैसा है? कई सारे एनिमल्स और जो प्लांट्स हैं जो कि जिनकी संख्या बहुत कम हो रही है, उसकी ये इनका उनके लिए यह घर है। थर्ड, द अमेजन बेसिन हैज़ अबाउट 2 million species of insects, 1,000 species of fish and 600 mammals. And also you have seen that the Amazon basin has near about 2 million species of what insects, insects की हैं, 1,000 species of fish and also 600 mammals. When attempts in recent years were made to disturb this ecological balance by cutting trees in the Amazon basin, सपोज इस तरह से जब उसको काटने की कोशिश की गई तब क्या हुआ? Trees in Amazon basin, disastrous consequences followed, and means disastrous, very dangerous incidents, results took place. The carbon dioxide level has risen, and there is danger of global warming. Then when they started cutting off trees in this forest, they are also created a very problem, and the problem is that the carbon dioxide level has risen, and also there is a danger of global warming. Cutting of trees for creating new farm. Why they are cutting land, beta? They are cutting land only for making their farmlands. New farms attracting mining. They are also getting minerals, building new cities or clearing the forest for even for grazing will lead to the destruction of a considerable portion of this unique forest. And people, they used to cut forest for their own purpose. Some required it for construction of building, some required it for as farm, and some other extract minerals from the earth. Okay, all these will have disastrous effect not only on South America but on the whole world. मीन्स ये सब सारी चीज़ें केवल इसके साउथ अमेरिका के ऊपर नुकसान नहीं कर रहा है, बल्कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में इसका नुकसान है. All this shows that Amazon basin is ecologically very important. ये सब देख कर के पढ़ने के बाद, ये सब सुनने के बाद हमें क्या ज्ञात होता है? We only know that Amazon basin is very important as a ecological. Okay, ecologically this Amazon basin is very important. Okay, so today only this much. In next video we will discuss about life in the subtropical region, that is Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Thank you.